Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing us how to sign up for an Edmodo account as a student. So for students using Edmodo, I'll be making videos in the next few weeks on how you can enjoy the features in Edmodo. Today I will show us how to sign up to an Edmodo account. The first thing you do is to click on sign up. Now the next step is to choose an account. For students, you choose student account. Now you can sign up. Your teacher must have sent you a code or a class code. You put the code in here. For me, my teacher sent in my code, and my code is right here. The code comes like this in a PDF form. So this is my class code. So I'm going to type in this code into that column. Alright, so that is my class code, correct? Next thing is to choose a username. You can use any name of your choice. For me, I'm using basic. Again, basic 34. Alright, next step is to enter an email. As you can see right here, it is optional, but I advise you to use an email. Basic that's yandex.com. Alright, next is you choose a password. Please always use a number or a password that you can remember. Alright. Alright, what next? You create your account. So right here it says complete your profile. Right here you enter the name as it is in your school register. So my first name is Basic. Last name is Arello. Okay. You fill in your date of birth. You fill in your date of birth. Then you click done. Now for your account safety, you are also encouraged to invite your parents to join your class. So if you want to invite your parents to be able to see what you are doing in class, you can enter your parents' phone number, or you can enter your parents' email address. Now if you don't want to enter your parents' information at this time, you can always skip. So I'll skip. Yes, this is good. Now I have opened my account. It says your account is pending. That means my teacher will have to approve it. So as soon as my teacher approves my account, then I can be able to access my class. In the next few minutes, my teacher will approve my account and you will be able to see my class right here. Alright, so it seems my teacher has approved my account, so I can do a refresh. Okay, so now you can see that my class is showing right here. So I have been able to join the class, so I can click on it. Good. So this is how you can sign up on Edmodo as a student and also join a class. Now you can also join a class in a different way by clicking on. Now if you have an Edmodo account already, you can join a class by clicking on these three ellipses. You click on it, you click on join a class. Here you can enter the class code and you will be right in the class. You can also come right here to invite your parents. Alright, so this is how you can sign up to Edmodo as a student and also join a class. In my next video, I'll be showing us how to interact on Edmodo, send a message to your teacher on Edmodo, and how to post a message to Edmodo, and how to use Edmodo features for your online learning. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.